Hey friends, today we learn about the preposition, but this is a huge chapter which is not possible to show in one video. So I divided this chapter into some parts. In part 1, we learn about in, on and at. But knowing about in, on and at first we have to know what is preposition or the meaning of preposition. So let's start. If the word preposition divided like this, we will get two words, pre and position, where pre means before and position means a particular portion of space where preposition is placed. So what idea did we get by breaking this word? The idea is preposition is placed before some kinds of words. Here's the definition. A preposition is a word, and we all know that it's one of the parts of speech which is placed before a noun or pronoun to connect it with other word in a sentence, and it shows place, time, position and method. Look at the example. There is a ball in the box. Here the preposition in is placed before the noun box and tells about the position of that ball. So we got the idea about the preposition. Now we will discuss about the preposition in, on and at by a easy trick so that we can remember easily. Okay, suppose this is a classroom. These are the benches of the student and it's the table and chair, and beside table and chair it's the door of the classroom. And when we enter the classroom, what do we tell our teacher? That may I come in, sir, or may I come in, ma'am? So here we use the preposition in is placed after the verb come. So in means inside. Look at the picture. Where is the ball? The ball is in the box. But if the ball's position would be here, then we have to tell the ball is on the box. Similarly, when students sit somewhere, we use the preposition on, such as the students are sitting on the bench. So on indicates the position of surface of something, and at indicates a specific place or a point in space. So if it's a nail, to inform its position, we can say that there is a nail at the corner of the bench. That's why here is written at, on, and here is in. Now we compare this classroom with a calendar. Now suppose it's January 2018 and this total month we will compare with the classroom, and the particular day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 1, 2, 3, etc. is like a bench of the classroom. Similarly, as we use the preposition in before the class and on before the bench, we will now use in before the month or year, which is like a classroom, and on before the particular day, which is like a bench of the student. Such as it gets very cold in January. Here in is placed before the month January. Garima got a lot of gift on her birthday. Here to say birthday means a particular day. That's why on has been placed here. Next, his exam is on 17th January. Here 17th January is a particular day, so on is placed, and his exam is on January 17th. Both are same. 17th January and January 17th both are same. 17th January is written in British English and January 17 according to American English. But look at the example. I shall buy a computer at Diwali. Here at is placed before Diwali because Diwali is not considered as a particular day. Here it's considered as a festival, but there is no problem if you placed on before Diwali in case of spoken. But in comparative exam you must use on preposition before Diwali, Christmas, etc. because it's considered as a festival. Similarly, the party is on Sunday. Here on is placed because Sunday is a particular day. Next, I shall come to my home at weekend. Here before weekend at is placed because look at the calendar. Weekend means the end of the particular day, just like a point of the bench. But according to American English, on is placed here because they consider it's like a particular day. But we have to use at preposition in case of any exam because we follow British English, but no problem in spoken. Similarly, at is used before the end of the month, the beginning of the month, the beginning of the week, etc. Next, look at this example. There are 7 days in a week. Here in is placed because look at the picture. A week is like a row of the bench because it is not a particular day. There are 7 days in a week. That's why in is placed here. Similarly, one more example. In how many days will you complete the task? Here is also mentioned about many days, not one day or a particular day. That's why in is placed here. Okay, now we look which preposition we use before the past, present and future. The answer is very simple. Look at the picture. Past and future are like a big classroom, because past have no end and future also have no end. So according to our logic, in case of past we use in, and before future we also use in. But present means just now, just the moment of time, just the point of time. So here we use according to our logic at. Now look at the example. He will not repeat this mistake in future. Okay, here in is placed before future. Okay, next, the doctor is busy at the moment. Here the moment indicates the present, the time of present. One more example. It may rain at any moment. Here also any moment indicates the present. And on the other hand, we know that moment means to say just a point of time. That's why at is placed here. Now we will learn about the omission of preposition. Means where we don't have to use preposition. Look at these examples. I shall buy a computer at Diwali. I got this example earlier. It's correct. But if I write I shall buy a computer at this Diwali, is it correct? No, it's not correct, because we don't need to use preposition before this. So it would be correct if I write I shall buy a computer this Diwali. Similarly, Gaurav will not go to school tomorrow. Here also preposition is not placed because of having tomorrow. So we don't need to use any type of preposition before this type of words, such as this, that, next, last, every, some, tomorrow, yesterday and today. So thanks for watching, and if you want to get more video like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.